The next group of companies, it's a group of companies really, but it's not really that big. But we have around 1,500 employees. It's made up of the Rex bookstore. We have 29 bookstores across the country. We have the Rex Printing Company. This is the Rex Printing Company. And then we have the Rex Bookstore International at the other building there. And then we have the Rex Brown Publication, which is engaged in the publishing of, what do you call this? Journals. Then we have the Rex Digital Publishing Corporation. And then we are likewise engaged in the properties and trading operation. The Philippines has the problem of high job skills mismatch. We need to invest more skills in education to reduce this. Private sector generates 93% of the gross domestic product of the Philippines and employs more than 92% of the workforce. However, despite its significant role in the economy, as private sector potential as a driver of economic growth remains largely unutilized. In short, we need to share the wealth by having system in place that cascade prosperity to everyone in the country. We have to reduce poverty. There should be equitable distribution of wealth. Inclusive growth, our country needs to develop the growing fiscal space toward proper and infrastructure and socio-economic services. Our country needs more investment in infrastructure and social services to make growth more inclusive. There's a need really to have efficient and more reasonable, fairer tax system. Our tax system is outdated. Create more jobs and better jobs within the Philippines. Hopefully we should avoid labor militancy, which is destructive of the business growth.